Saving lives. The campaign tries to save lives through caring from the planet. That is why I call on all people to help me as much as they can. If together we fight for our planet, we can save it. This campaign is a campaign of garbage collections, serious training, recycle collection and distribution of used clothing and in good condition and more. The most important thing is to help others and at the same time save the planet where we live. We have a place to live if we continue to take care of it. I invite all the people who want to make this world a better world to join in this campaign. It is only one day a week. If you help us, the world will thank you.